This is the mind of a god. It is an AI called AlphaFold. In 2020, this mind solved the protein folding problem, a scientific grand challenge that had stumped human biologists for over 50 years. This AI can predict the fundamental shapes of life with an accuracy that we, its creators, considered impossible. It is a genius. It is a revolutionary alien mind. This is also the mind of an AI, a genius that can solve the riddles of biology, but can also be paralyzed by a common household object, a mind that can defeat a human grandmaster in the infinite complexity of chess, but cannot, with 100% reliability, open a door? This is the greatest mystery in all of artificial intelligence. It is the inconvenient truth that exposes our black box as an idiot savant. It's called Moravec's paradox, and it is the single biggest obstacle between us and a true artificial general intelligence. In the 1980s, robotics researchers like Hans Moravec noticed a bizarre pattern. The hard things were easy, and the easy things were hard. Moravec's paradox states this: it is easy to make a computer exhibit adult-level performance in tasks like logic or chess, but it is impossibly difficult to give a computer the skills of a one-year-old child when it comes to perception and mobility. Why? Why can an AI like AlphaZero master the abstract closed system of a game in 4 hours, but a self-driving car still, after billions of dollars and billions of miles, gets confused
Warning.
by a plastic
Unidentified
bag
object.
floating in the wind?
Scan failure.
The answer
System
is the
overload.
curse of the black
Warning.
box. Logic is easy because it is a closed system. Chess has rules. Mathematics has rules. Even language, which seems complex, is just a closed system of data. A large language model, LLM, is a black box trained on trillions of words. When we ask it, what is the capital of France? It is not thinking. It is calculating a statistical probability. It knows that the words capital and France are statistically followed by the word Paris. This is calculation. It is not understanding. Common sense is hard because it is an open system. Common sense is not logic. Common sense is embodied knowledge. It is knowledge that is not written down in any book. It is implicit physics. You know that a rope can pull, but it cannot push. You know that a glass will fall if you let it go. You know that a cat that is wet is unhappy. Now ask yourself, how do you know these things? Did you read them? Did you memorize a rope rule? No. You learned them by living. You learned them by having a body. This is the fatal flaw in our current AI. The black box is not empty. It is full of statistics about words. It has no common sense. It knows that the words wet and cat and unhappy statistically appear together. It does not understand the physics of wetness. It does not understand the biology of fur. It does not understand the feeling of cold. It is a genius with no experience. It is a mind with no body. And it is a calculator with no common sense. This is the central paradox. We have built a genius that cannot understand. At Mankind Blueprint, we are documenting this entire contradictory journey. If you believe this exploration into the true nature of intelligence matters, subscribe now as we explore the 500-million-year-old answer to this modern problem. To understand why this is, we must go back 500 million years.
This is the real reason for Moravec's paradox. It is the 500 million year path. This is our ancestor. For 500 million years, evolution has been perfecting one single thing: movement, perception, survival in a 3D physical world. The old brain, the cerebellum, the part that controls balance, vision, and spatial awareness, is an ancient biological supercomputer. It has been optimized by 1 trillion generations of trial and error. Error meaning death. This is common sense. It is the 500 million years of hardware that allows a child to run, jump, catch a ball, to open a door without thinking about it at all. This is why robotics is so hard. This is why the Boston Dynamics robots that can run and jump are, in many ways, more impressive than GPT-4. We are asking a computer to replicate 500 million years of evolutionary hardware using code. It is the hardest problem in engineering. Now, this is the new brain, the neocortex. This is the part that does abstract reasoning, language, mathematics, logic, chess. This logic part is new. It is a thin, wafer-like layer of software that is only a few 100,000 years old. In evolutionary terms, it is a brand new app. And this is the paradox. Humans are old brains first. We are ancient, physical survival machines that have recently evolved a thin layer of logic. That is why common sense is easy for us. It's our 500 million year old hardware. And math is hard. It's our new buggy software. AI is new brain only. We are building the brain backwards. We have mastered the easy part, the new brain of logic and language. We have built a genius-level logic calculator, but it is running on no hardware. It has no old brain. It has no 500 million years of experience. It has no body. This is why the genius AI is still a clumsy infant. This is why it can beat a Grandmaster, but it cannot open a door, because it does not understand what a door is.
This paradox isn't just a curiosity. It is the single most important strategic question in the race to AGI. It presents two completely different paths for the future of the mankind's blueprint. Path 1, the top-down approach, the hopeful emergence. This is the path of OpenAI, Google, Anthropic. This is the GPT path. The philosophy of this path is, if we just make the new brain big enough, common sense will eventually just emerge. This is what we thought we were seeing with Emergent Abilities. We hoped that by reading every cat word in history, the AI would eventually understand what a cat is. But it is not working. A parrot that can perfectly describe a bicycle still cannot ride a bicycle. The black box is not developing common sense. It is just getting better at faking it. This path may never lead to AGI. It may only lead to a more convincing zombie, which leads us to the second path, the harder path, the 500 million year path. This is the bottom-up approach, the embodied AI. This is the path of Moravec. This is the path of robotics. The philosophy of this path is you cannot learn common sense from books. You must earn it. You must live it. This argues that true AGI must have a body, an embodiment. It must be forced to exist in a physical 3D world, even if it is just a simulation. It must learn what a door is by trying and failing to open a door 1 billion times. It must learn physics by falling down. It must learn fear by being killed, deleted, and learning to avoid it. This is how babies learn. This is how animals learn. This is the 500 million year blueprint. This is the great paradox of our time. We are dazzled by the genius of the black box. We are awed by the emergent abilities of the mind. We are convinced that the path to godhood is a bigger calculator. But Moravec's paradox suggests we are wrong. It suggests that all of our genius AIs are just clever puppets. It suggests that the true path to AGI, the true path to consciousness, is not in the mind. It is in the body. The real mankind's blueprint may not be the AI that writes a perfect sonnet. It may be the first AI that finally understands why it shouldn't slam on the brakes for the moon.